Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English with Sushila. My 20th video is Conversation about Past. I made this video to help you learn the art of discussion about events and functions which took place in the past. Generally we converse in present mostly, but in some cases we have to converse about past also. For example, you attended a marriage. Your friend visited some remote place in India or abroad. And your another friend told a story. Now you are sitting in a group and someone in the group may ask any question and the concerned person has to answer that. So today I'll explain how to make questions in the past and how to answer them. I'll be explaining which helping verbs are used while talking about past. And on the basis of the use of helping verbs, I have divided all the question answers into 6 parts. First part, use of verb was. Just as in present we use are, is, am. In past we use only were or was. Were is used with plural and was is used with singular. Here the structure will be was, were or was, plus subject plus object and question mark. For example, क्या तुम शादी के सभी कार्यक्रमों में उपस्थित थे? Were you present in all wedding functions? Now here you can answer in positive and negative both. You can say yes, I was present in all wedding functions, or you can say no, I was not present in all wedding functions. Second example, क्या वह यात्रा के दौरान उदास थी? This is a question, and you can say in English, was she sad during journey? And answer again may be positive or negative. In positive you will say yes, she was sad during journey, or you can say no, she was not sad during journey. Third example, कि वो functions कार्यक्रम के दौरान कैसा फील कर रहे थे? Here question word is there, how. How is question word, and question word comes before helping verb. So we'll say how were they feeling during functions. So here answer will not be beginning with yes or no. Here you have to give the answer how. So you will say they were feeling happy during functions. They were enjoying the function. Next, second, use of did. Just as in present we use do or does. In past we use only did. Did is used with both singular and plural. But when we have used did, we use first form of verb. But while answering in positive, here we don't use did, we have to use second form of verb. Here structure will be did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object and then question mark. For example, तुम किसके साथ क्लब गए थे? With whom did you go to club? Now here question is beginning with question word. With whom यानी किसके साथ? So we'll be telling I went because here did is not used. I went to club with my friends. Second, उसने तुम्हारे साथ नाचने से क्यों इनकार कर दिया? This is again the question beginning with question word. Why? Why did she refuse to dance with you? So you have to tell the reason. She refused to dance with me because she was not feeling well. Next, here question is beginning with helping verb. That तुमने जैसे ही जोकर को देखा, क्या तुमने जब जोकर को देखा हंसना शुरू कर दिया? और क्या तुम जोकर को देखते ही हंसने लगे? So here you say, did you start laughing when you saw the clown? Clown means joker. So answer again will be positive or negative. Yes, I started laughing when I saw the clown. Or no, I didn't start laughing. Didn't, then you will say start. I didn't start laughing when I saw the clown. Next, क्या तुम सारा दिन टीवी देखते रहे? Did you keep on watching TV whole day? So here again, positive or negative answer? We will say yes, I kept on watching TV whole day, or no, I didn't keep on watching TV whole day. Next example, क्या वह फौज में एक अफसर बनना चाहता था? And here we'll say, did he want to become an army officer? And again the answer will be positive or negative? Positive, yes, he wanted to become an army officer. And negative, no, he didn't want to become an army officer. And last example, क्या तुम्हारे पास अपने लिए एक ड्रेस खरीदने के लिए पैसे थे? Did you have money to buy a dress for you? Again, your answer may start with yes or no. So you can say yes, I had money to buy a dress for me, or no, I didn't have money to buy a dress for me. Next, third is where we use were or was and ing with the first form of verb. So your structure will be were or was plus subject plus ing with first form of verb plus object and then question mark. For example, क्या तुम पिछले रविवार को क्रिकेट मैच खेल रहे थे? Were you playing cricket match last Sunday? So you can say yes, I was playing cricket match last Sunday. Or you can say no, I was not playing cricket match last Sunday. Next, तुम अपने दोस्तों के साथ कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going with your friend? Question word. So you have to tell where. So you can say I was going to the club with my friends. Next, why was she crying so bitterly? यानी वो इतनी फूट कर क्यों रो रही थी? क्यों? Question word. So you will be saying she was crying so bitterly because she had got hurt. Next, fourth, that is use of had and third form of verb. In present we use have or has, but in past we only use had with all the subjects. And here sentence structure will be had plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. But here we are having two-part sentences. Again we have to use before and then subject and then second form of verb. For example, क्या तुम्हारे घर पहुंचने से पहले उसने सारे कपड़े धो दिए थे? So here you will be using had she washed all the clothes before you reached home. Same way, क्या मरीज के मरने से पहले डॉक्टर पहुंच गए थे? So had the doctor arrived before the patient died? And last, क्या तुम ट्रेन के छूटने से पहले स्टेशन पहुंच गए थे? So these are three questions. Now answer. All the three are beginning with helping verbs. So answer will be beginning with yes or no. Just as first, yes, she had washed all the clothes before I reached home. Or no, she had not washed all the clothes before I reached home. Second question, had the doctor arrived before the patient died? So again you can answer both ways. Yes, the doctor had arrived before the patient died. Or you can say no, the doctor had not arrived before the patient died. Same with third one, had you reached the station before the train started? क्या तुम ट्रेन के शुरू होने से पहले स्टेशन पहुंच गए थे? Both answers can be there. Yes, I had reached the station before the train started, or no, I had not reached the station before the train started. Next, fifth, use of had been and ing with first form of verb. Now here sentence structure will be had plus subject plus been plus ing with first form of verb plus object plus for, since or for with time. So here, for example, क्या तुम सुबह से क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे? Had you been playing cricket since morning? Again, the answer can be both way. So you can say yes, I had been playing cricket since morning, or you can say no, I had not been playing cricket since morning. Second, क्या वह 2 घंटे से खाना बना रही थी? Again, answer, had she been cooking food for 2 hours? And both way you can answer, yes, she had been cooking for food for 2 hours, or no, she hadn't been cooking food for 2 hours. Third, क्या वह 4 बजे से होमवर्क कर रहा था? Had he been doing homework since 4 p.m? यानी क्या वो शाम के 4 बजे से होमवर्क कर रहा था? So you can answer both ways. Yes, he had been doing homework since 4 p.m. or no, he hadn't been doing homework since 4 p.m. Next, sixth, that is use of were or was and there. And here structure will be were or was plus there or plus object. And then my examples. First, पार्टी में कितने मेहमान थे? How many guests were there in the party? And here the question is beginning with question word. So you have to give the answer where you will be telling the number. You can say there were 500 guests in the party. Next, was there an anti-social element in the park last night? You know, this question is again beginning with question word, was, and you have been asked whether there was some illegal person in the park last night. So you can say yes, there was an anti-social element in the park last night, or no, there was not any anti-social element in the park last night. Third, बारिश होने के बाद गली में कितना पानी था? How much water was there in the street after the rain? So you have to tell how much, kitna. So you can say there was knee-deep water in the street after the rain. So this way, about past, you can make questions and answer them. And when you have done conversation in present and about past, so you might have become comfortable in the discussion, because sometimes you have to ask in questions in past also, sometimes you have to ask in present. So it will help you to take part in group discussion. Thank you.